Hello everyone and guys, welcome to the RRR series of current affairs for your upcoming RPA Grade B and NABARD Graded 2026 examination. This is day 8 of your government schemes MCQs revision, and let's begin with the session here guys. First of all, let's look at the homework question from day 7 that was on Agriculture Infrastructure Fund scheme. Look at the question guys. Consider the following statements about inclusivity and eligibility under the AIF. Private entities can undertake a maximum of 25 projects under the scheme. State agencies, farmer produce organizations and self-help groups have no upper limit on the eligible projects. 24% of the total grant in aids are reserved for SC and SC entrepreneurs. So guys, the answer for that is option number D. All of the given statements are correct, and if I bifurcate this 24%, it will be 16% which is reserved for scheduled castes and 8% which is reserved for the scheduled tribes. So that is the important thing you need to remember here. Let's proceed further. Today we are going to discuss again AIF scheme here guys. यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे उसमें जो इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, कितने टेन्योर के लिए मिलता है, और लोन के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं. So first question is, under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, the interest subvention benefit is best described as 3% interest subsidy per annum on loan up to rupees 2 crores, 5% capital subsidy on total project cost without any loan limit, 3% interest applicable subsidy applicable on loan exceeding rupee 2 crore, one time grant covering 15% of the infrastructure cost, and full interest waiver. So guys, the right answer is that is option number A, because it is 3% interest subvention or subsidy that will be provided per annum on a loan up to rupees 2 crore. The important point is, under this scheme you can get a loan of more than 2 crore also, but the point is आपको जो गारंटी है वो सिर्फ 2 करोड़ तक ही मिलेगी, जो सबवेंशन मिलेगा वो ही तक मिलेगा. ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपको यहाँ पे याद रखना है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे कुछ मुझे और बताओ कि ये जो आपको 2 करोड़ की गारंटी है वो किस स्कीम के अंदर मिलेगी. टू लेट मी नो अबाउट दैट आल्सो इन दी comment section. Here's the second question guys, with reference to the loan term under the AIF scheme, which is the following is correct. Maximum repayment period is 5 years. Moratorium period is fixed at 3 years for all beneficiaries. Maximum repayment period is 7 years including moratorium. No moratorium benefit is available and interest subvention is available only during the moratorium period. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन सी सही है दोस्तों, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम रीपेमेंट पीरियड बिल्कुल 7 साल का. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मॉरिटोरियम को समझ लेते हैं दोस्तों. तो मिनिमम कितना है जी, 6 मंथ्स है, और मैक्सिमम कितना है, दैट इज 2 ईयर्स, और टोटल टेन्योर जो 7 ईयर्स ही यहाँ पे रहेगी. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू लेट मी नो द होमवर्क क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे गाइस, जहां पे मैंने आपसे पूछा है तो फॉलोइंग बेस्ट एक्सप्लेन द क्रेडिट सपोर्ट मैकेनिज्म अंडर द एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड. All loans are backed by sovereign guarantee without limit. Loans up to rupees 2 crore are covered under the CGT MSC for credit guarantee. Only cooperative banks can provide collateral-free loans. Credit guarantee is available only for state government projects, and the scheme prohibits convergence with any other subsidy or grant. So do let me know the answer in the comment section. And guys, thank you for watching this video. So for more such videos, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Wishing you all the best, guys.